Hello, Click Designers. This tutorial is going to show you how to master boxshot covers with the cover templates on ClickDesigns. So after you've logged in and are on your dashboard, simply go to the Templates tab. Here you can navigate through different genres and categories of templates to work with. From here, simply click on the Covers category, then choose Boxshots. Here you can browse through different boxshot cover templates. As always, you have an option to start from scratch with a cover by clicking on the Start from Scratch button over here. The boxshot templates with the 3D icon also enable you to edit the mockup and design in 3D. Once you find a template you want to work with, simply hover over it and click on this icon to preview the design. From here, click on Use Template to launch the ClickDesigns editor. On the editor, simply click on your boxshot mockup and click on Edit Mockup to edit your design. Every single element in your template is customizable. You can edit the text, the elements, and colors in every aspect of your design. You can also upload your own template or design and customize every single section of the boxshot. So here I'm going to begin by just making simple changes. I'm going to start by editing the font on my design. To do this, simply click on a text box and over here, choose a given font from the font menu. This is the font I want to use, so I'm just going to do the same thing with the rest of my design. You can also change the style and color of your text. To do this, simply click on the color icon. I'm going to use this dropper icon to change the color of our current text with this red over here. And I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of my design. And you can also add, remove, and reposition any of these elements. Now, once you are finished with your edits, click on Done. Then your design will effectively be added and updated to your boxshot mockup. Not only can you also reposition, resize, and customize the positioning of your mockup, but you can also edit your mockup in 3D. Keep in mind, this only applies to the templates with the 3D icon as seen earlier. To do this, simply select your mockup and click on Edit in 3D. Here, you can customize the 3D view of your boxshot mockup. You can do that by moving the slider controls over here. You can also enable the controls over here on the side and move and adjust the position as needed. You can also add a background to your mockup. You can add a solid color, an image, or a video, and you can also change the details of the mockup itself. Over here, you can change the finish of the material. You can add in a light reflection, and you can also add a shadow to the mockup itself. Once you are done with the 3D view of your mockup, don't forget to click on Save 3D View. As you can see, my mockup was effectively customized with the new 3D view, and I also added a shadow to my mockup. Aside from the Edit in 3D feature, you can also actually save and view your mockup as a video. To do this, simply select your mockup and click on Mockup Video. Here, you can browse through different types of animations to animate your boxshot mockup. As always, you can customize and add a background, either a solid color, image, or video. And once finished, you can download your mockup video by clicking on the Download Video button over here below. Once you've edited your boxshot in 3D and created a mockup video, you can also share your boxshot in 3D. You can click on the Share in 3D option over here. Then you can access a share link, which you can directly share with others, or an embed code, which you can use to embed your boxshot onto any website. As always, once you're done with all of your changes on your project file, don't forget to click on the Save button over here up top. Once finished, you can go back to your dashboard and actually view your box shot underneath your recent designs. Again, you can preview your mockup by clicking on the preview icon over here, and you can also always go back to the editor and make any additional changes to your box shot. There you have it. So that is everything that you need to know when it comes to mastering box shot covers with the help of ClickDesigns. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.